You searched how to buy shares of Interlink Electronics Inc., so let's walk through the practical steps. Interlink Electronics develops touch and force sensor components used in industrial and consumer devices, and its shares trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker LINK, US. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the flow. After signing up, you will typically verify your account with an identity document, and you must add funds before you can place a real order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker LINK, US, to find the Interlink Electronics listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches the company name. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading. Confirm the name and exchange to ensure this is the correct Interlink Electronics stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute as a market or limit order when trading resumes. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.